Hello my friends, in this video, I will show you how to make a COMAC stun gun. For this, we'll need a high voltage converter, a charging module, a switch, and a 3.7 volt battery. First, we glue the battery to the converter. As you can see, there's still a bit of free space left. So we place the module next to the battery. It should be held very firmly. After that, we solder the negative wire first. Then the positive wire to the board contacts. We also need to solder an additional lead from the board. Next, we solder the negative wire to the generator. Then we glue the switch to the top of the generator. We'll also need 2 pieces of thick wire, which we place on the sides of the switch and then bend the ends. Of course, don't forget about the wires that go through the switch. I also added some glue on the sides to avoid accidental contact with a finger. If you enjoyed the video, in the end, we get a compact but very powerful device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel